Good morning, everyone! Man, it's very noisy. So we had some adventures getting here, and even though we've been here before, we got lost. Alright guys, so we're about to head off 15 kilometers. We're going to go into the pound today. I'm so excited. I just can't wait to get up there. I want to see what it looks like when you're walking as opposed to like from the pictures in the air.
Get the keys, love?
Anyway, let's get going. So we've got Levi practicing with trekking poles. He's getting pretty pro. Oh no, he's gone the wrong way again. Oh well, he'll get there. It was so cold before. I really wanted to get a picture of the ice, but because we took so long, it's all melted. Which is kind of sad. Oh well, not that sad. So guys, we get to walk up a creek, which as you all know is like my favourite thing to do. Not really. Yeah, no, it's pretty cool. It looks nice. So we just walked like a little ways, like 100 meters, up a full drive track. Sorry, I'm like trying to watch where I'm going. Up a full drive track, and then you just sort of cut off up the creek. So and then we got to go through Brittle Gap, which is between two mountains into the pound. Woohoo! I can see mountains. Hopefully. It looks like a bit of a climb. We're gonna have fun this morning. Anyway, I reckon by the time we get up the top and over to the other side, like into the pound, I reckon it'll be lunchtime for sure. Alright guys, look, we've been walking up a creek and we found actual water. Not that I really want to drink it. Sorry, are we ready to go? Look at this, official creek crossing. Not really. We're walking around it. Oh, cool. Oh, there you go. This one looks so cool when it's actually flowing. Faith, did you ever think it was possible to walk for so long and not see water?
No.
Faith is from the UK, guys. She has no idea. Welcome to Australia.
Yeah, I never thought I'd end up walking through a dry riverbed.
Alright guys, like bigger rocks this time, so it's like rock hopping. So guys, we are ascending into Brittle Gap. Not really going up too much yet, but you can kind of see it in the distance. So I think we just like wind our way through those hills there. Now there are gaps on the other side a little bit higher up. I don't know. The sun's kind of like in the way. But yeah, so we're walking up, we're getting there. I've compromised with little bro. Here's one of my hiking poles, not the other one. I'm not sure I was willing to give them both away for such a steep up. How I've grown to use them from like not liking them at all. Oh well. They're good guys, I recommend them, but definitely know how to use them properly. Because like I hear people cutting the straps off. Man, I don't know if I could use them with no straps. It's just not the same. Anyway, we're going up. I'm going to stop because I'm going to start puffing. And then we'll see you again, hopefully, at the top.
But then, like,
here they come!
We're not crossing many bars.
Check out their mountains! We have to go through them, but at least it's not over them.
I hate surprises.
Alright guys, we're not quite all the way up, but check out that view! And also all the selfie spots!
It's a great selfie spot.
We've been taking some pictures. We're getting there. We're almost up. Almost. Alright guys, we are almost at the top, but the boys had the brains to make a hiker text, which is actually kind of surprising. Anyway, so they got confused because they come up the wrong way, and then so they came up, hang on, they came up through here where Kirsty's going up. That is not the right way. But anyway, they came up here, went up here, saw this arrow and went, hang on, saw this arrow and went, oh, we're going to go that way. And then there's like another arrow through there. But that's the way you're supposed to be coming up. So they started going southbound. So hence the little hiker text message there. But then they waited for us anyway, so never mind. Oh good, maybe any other hikers that come up the wrong way and start going southbound will see this arrow. Alright guys, we're in the Flinders Range National Park and we're at Brittle Gap Campsite, which is not on the Heysen website, but anyway, there's some flattish ground. I don't know, I wouldn't want to put a tent down here really. I mean there's like one spot there. There's a little fire circle thingy and a flat rock. And here's some tired hikers. We've got mountains over here. And a mountain over here. And I think we go that way. Very exciting. Hi guys, so I thought I filmed a big section and it wasn't actually filming. So, oh nice. I'm in the pound, guys. Well, we're kind of descending into the pound a bit. Oh wow, that is really good. Oh, well maybe it was good I didn't film before. You still can't see anything. I do apologise today, like the sun is just not helping you guys out. There you go, you can kind of see it a little bit. So you can't really see that much of what I'm doing. And also, this is the terrain we've got today. Rocks for days, rocks for days. Anyway, so like, it's not, well, like parts of it are really open, but like lots of it is really like trees, lots of trees. Yeah, so lots of it is lots of trees, rocks, you know, kind of walking, don't really see too much. The views back, like, so when we're climbing up the mountain to get here, the views back, like when you turn around, were just like amazing. I really wish I could have got for you guys a view of Brittle Gap, like coming up to it, like just so you could see it, but just the sun, because it was just behind the mountains, was just, it was not doing you any favors, unfortunately. So that means you have to come up here and see it for yourself. So get your hiking boots on. Morolana Gorge Road is a good place to park if you just want to go one way. I think it's like the only access point. It's 15 k's to Wilpena Pound Caravan Park, which is like super doable. So yeah, I think get out here, 15 k's. Make sure you have a GPS if you can. Download the GPX file of the Heysen. Coming up there, there's a few trail diversions, I guess. Like, you might accidentally go the wrong way. We did a couple of times, but it's not impossible. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. So guys, we're back, and I think this is more like real legit pound walking. Like, we're back to a walk in the park. So, I mean, like if you want to see a variety of different Heysen trail terrain, yeah, that's it, terrain, like this is a great hike. Like, it's short, anyone can do it with like any sort of reasonable level of fitness. And you got to start, we started in a creek bed, we did uphill, we did downhill, and now we're doing walk in the park. So like, you know, kind of get a bit of everything, which is nice. And we should be stopping for lunch soonish. We just passed this great, what would have been a great lunch spot, but I think we're a bit behind. So we, yeah, we didn't get to stop there. So hopefully there's another good one coming up. What is that on the tree? Is that a bait thing or?
No, that's a wildlife camera. They check the numbers of animals.
Wildlife camera. I wonder if they actually film. I really want to go wave at it.
I waved at one before. Yeah.
I know, that's the things that keep you amused when you're on the Heysen trail. Alright guys, well I think this is the poundy pound bit. I know, like, but you can't get much more flatter and barer than that. Looks like a sporting oval. Anyway, pretty cool. I know, like, that looks so good. Like, I'm so excited. This is what I expected it to be like. I thought this bit, like the flat no tree bit, would be bigger, but like, it's still awesome. It's still pretty big. Just some random kangaroos having their lunch there. I'm like, come on. So cool. And mountains all around, as far as I can see. I think we walk out on like a bit of a gap, sort of like we did on the way up here, but there's not so much of a descent into the caravan park by the looks from our elevation profile, so we'll see. I've been following this track. I don't know, like I assume it's a service track. I'm pretty sure the general everyday person can't come up here, but yeah, it's nice. It's not like, it's not as nice as yesterday's road walk. Like, it is quite hard on the feet. It's, yeah, very compressed. I think, well, obviously it probably gets muddy up here, but we're like talking about it and we're like, well, it can't rain that much or else the pound would be a lake. So we're just like intrigued by how all that stuff works. I don't know, it's all good. Hopefully somewhere ahead we'll run into some people. I feel sorry for my brothers, so they're probably there waiting, hungry, and everyone else is eating, and I've got the stove to cook their mac and cheese. Mwahaha. Oh well, they'll get it eventually. Mac and cheese and beef jerky for lunch. I'm excited. That is like the best meal ever. Alright, if you don't agree, I don't know, something wrong with you. No. I love mac and cheese, and then you just add beef jerky to it and it's like this whole new depth of mac and cheese. Who knew mac and cheese could be so gourmet with beef jerky? Lots of protein. It's good. Oh, is that people I hear? Thought I saw someone walking back this way, but oh yeah, nope, they're still walking forward. Never mind, I got excited over nothing. Oh well, we're having fun, it's good. And yeah, we will see you all later. So guys, just broke for lunch. Had, I don't know, like half-hour break or whatever. Everyone kind of left because we were so far behind. That's alright. All good. We had a mac and cheese and beef jerky for lunch, which was good. Cooking up 6 packets of mac and cheese on my little hiking stove though. Did take a little while, hence why everyone's already left. And we're just coming. Anyway, we've got about 6 k's to go, so a bit over an hour. We're just going to meander back to Wilpena Pound. And then, yeah, go home, I guess. Yeah, sadness. But yeah, it's been nice today. Really enjoyed it. Good variety. I mean, walking across the pound is really cool. It's kind of like not super interesting. Like once you kind of see the main poundy bit and that, kind of like, because it's like a bowl, I guess. So you go down to like the, so you like mountain, trees and rocks, pound, parky bit, and then like you walk through that and then you're like parky bit, trees and rocks, mountains, like on the other way, because it's a bowl. I don't really know. Anyway, so yeah, our hiking, slackpacking weekend is almost over, which is sad, but oh well, it was great fun. We'll come back again another time and keep going. We're up to Hawker now, so as soon as we're back at the Wilpena, we have walked from Parachilna to Hawker. Like, oh my goodness, that's so awesome. So we would have done over 100 kilometers of the Heysen, which is just amazing. So anyway, off we go. All right guys, we have a goal. Our goal is we got just under 5Ks, but we started when we had 5Ks to go, and we are aiming to get there in under an hour or an hour. We'll see how it goes, but I reckon we can do it. We'll see. Come on, can you do it? Yes, he can do it. Don't listen to him. All right, well, we'll see how we go. So guys, I'm not really sure how our hour hike is going. So I think we're about 3.2, 3.6, I don't know, K's from Wilpena. Not that far. But anyway, we just come up to this like cottage thing. Hang on. I need to come over this side so you can see it, not in the sun. So like come up to this cottage thing. I don't know, I haven't walked down to the signs yet, I'm going to. But there's like toilets and stuff. Like, I think they're just, like, I'm pretty sure they're just long drops. But like, still pretty handy info to know. I know, I just walked down to the signs. It's like a really built up, like this is where people go day walking. And not day hiking, day walking, like not very far. Ooh, is it haunted? The Hills family, there you go. Guys, we're crossing a bridge! Nah. So, we're like walking, it is so like built up here. Anyway, so we come from the depths of the wilderness to like a man-made bridge. Oh my goodness guys, there's real water! of like easy. It's not like climbing that mountain into Brittle Gap or whatever it is. Might be called Bridle Gap, but like it's not spelt bridle as in like bridal party. It's B-R-I-D-L-E. I don't know.
Maybe like
I've been calling it brittle. Oh! Okay. Bridle it is then. So I've been wrong this whole entire time. Which, you know, shouldn't surprise you by now. Whew! Alrighty. That was some stairs. That was nice. At least you didn't have to walk up that gully. I am so glad. Anyway. Continue on. Alright, welcome back. We have another creek crossing. And guys, this one is even flowing. Alright, literally we have to cross the creek. Okay, here we go. I hope I don't drop you. Especially seeing it's not my phone. Oh, Kirsty, don't watch. Look at this. Real water, look. Stepping stones. We made it. What a challenge.
I don't want to get your poles wet just in case they get rusty.
I think the poles can get wet. How'd you find your first creek crossing, Deborah? Bit challenging? One day we'll get to cross a real creek. Okay guys, so we are almost there. You can kind of, well you probably can't, but I can see cars and vehicles and things and buildings through there. I'm not really sure what part of the resort that is, but it's somewhere. Anyway, how could I tell they were coming up? I could smell it. I can smell food. Oh my goodness, I'm turning into a true hiker. I can smell cooking food before I see buildings. Ah! I am so looking forward to my chicken schnitzel tonight. It's going to be delicious. And like I just ate like 2 packets of mac and cheese for lunch, like, and beef jerky. Oh, I have beef jerky left. Guys, it's a good day. Oh hey, it's another emu. It's too far away for you to see. Oh well. Anyway, I'm going to eat my beef jerky as we stroll on into camp. Oh, we made it. We're back. We're packing up. Hello everybody. We got to go take my car apparently, but you know that might work out well. Anyway, here we are. Finished. So I hope you enjoyed our little slack packing adventure. I did. It was fun. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Oh yeah. First, how'd it go, Curious George?
It was pretty good. It was tiring. It was alright.
Will you do? Okay, the real question, Curious George. Are you liking hiking?
Yes.
Woo! It's a success, guys. Good collab. Thanks for your collab.
No problem.
Awesome.
Links down in the description.
What? I didn't say that. Go check out his channel. Anyway guys, consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. If you've already subscribed, well done. And we'll see you next time.